Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this under sink organizer. This is a two-tier adjustable under sink organizer that you can use for your bathroom, your kitchen, under the sink in your bathroom, or under the sink in your kitchen as well, or any cabinets that you may have. This is the way that you might want to install this one. As you can see, it is really sturdy. It comes with everything that you need to install it, and the drawers are really working very well. Okay, so now let me show you how we are putting this together. Of course, it comes with a manual of instructions as well, so you can follow that one, or you can actually use this video as well so you can know and kind of have an eye glance of how you can put this together. Okay, it is really easy. You just have to put a few screws right here, and you don't need any extra tool. So you can do it with your hand, or maybe use the screwdriver that comes along with the items in the package. Okay, so this is how you will be putting this second tier. Now let's just add a few more things right here for the installation. The screwdrivers that comes with it come with a two-side, different for the two-side, and you can attach this second tier drawer or storage basket in any of the holes that are there. Okay, so in this case we are attaching it to the top one, so we can have a space in between both of them. Okay, and also it includes some anti-slippery gums that you can put on the bottom so it doesn't slip at all, and the drawers are really smooth, so you won't have any issue by using them. Now you can see how we are using them right here, and you can see how we have a lot of space in between, and also you can fit a lot of bottles and products in here. So it is really nice to have one of these. You can have it in white, but also it might be available for in black color. I love how it looks, and I love this product that I got sent out for me.